So you know how some trading mentors, full port positions, you see these wild wins, but then they have these big losses they don't really like to talk about. Well, as you know, here at Uncommon Education Trading, we're all about good win rates, but also having a good reward to risk, meaning our average win, we always want bigger than our average loss. So I've been posting that I've been doing this consistently with our Follow Trades program. That transfers to our members. You guys know Kay Murph. We talk about her a lot. She's been crushing it. $3,700 win on Microsoft, $1,800 loss on Apple. That's still roughly $1,000 on the day. Consistency, not gambling in the market, not just trying and hoping for things to work out. This is an actual skill set, and this transfers from your trading mentor. So if your results are not in line with a good system and good risk management, good chance your trading mentor doesn't follow those things either. So incredible work here. Super proud of Kay Murph. She has put in a ton of work. Awesome end of the week. Oh, you're not done? You want to see more profits? Okay, got it. No problem. As you can see here, Loki Goldie, you guys know he's been crushing it. Right here, $4,000 plus trading options to end the week. Can you imagine going into the weekend having an additional $4,000 that you can literally withdraw from his account today, by the way, just so you know. You can withdraw it and it will be in his bank account either later today or on Monday, depending on which bank account he has. An extra $4,000 going into the weekend. Imagine that. And as you can see, $849. So he made $4,000 before 9 a.m. So most people were in traffic driving to work on Friday. He made $4,000 before they even got to work to clock in, and now has the rest of the day to do whatever in the world he wants. Okay, this is no joke. We could go for hours. We have so many examples of this. Huge day. Congrats to Loki Goldie. Again, $4,000 heading into the weekend. Wow. Now you may be thinking to yourself, that's great, Jeremy, but I want big wins. I want to make big money. Well, guess what? We have people making $10,000 a week here at Uncommon Education Trading. And it's not just one person. You guys see, we post about lots of different people every single day making crazy money. Again, one of our longtime members, VT, here in Uncommon Education Trading, made $10,000 of profit this week, trading our strategies, utilizing the skill set that he learned by taking our mastermind here at Uncommon Education Trading. This skill set is no joke, and I'm so sick of people telling me or telling you or others that it can't be done. Everyone who's telling you that is missing out on weeks like this where they are grinding on whatever else it is that they're trying to grind on, which respect, but respect what we're doing here. $10,000 in a week, that is no joke. It's not gambling, it's not hoping. This is a skill with proper reward to risk ratio, high win rates. Super proud of you, VT. Way to go, congrats. Now you might be thinking to yourself, that's great, Jeremy, but I trade futures. I don't trade options, and you should trade futures because XYZ. And I get it, futures is awesome. When I started out trading options back in the day, futures wasn't really a thing. Like, wasn't as mainstream as it is now with all these different prop firms and how, good it is with the prop firms. Well, guess what? We have futures trading here at Uncommon Education Trading. It's included in our mastermind. We have two analysts, UET Wilson and UET Jaden. They crush it. They live trade futures every single day. And as you can see, this member made $3,600 on his prop firm account today, trading futures with the same strategies we teach. So we're not just a one-trick pony. We're not just options trading and that's it. No, we are options plus futures. And it's included in our mastermind program. And we live trade futures every single day. So if you are sick of failing prop firm accounts and failing challenges and blowing prop firm accounts, this is the place to be. Congrats to League. Absolutely massive day.